Welcome to the fourth group of instructional videos in our Paperless Teacher tutorial series. In the previous group of videos, you learned how to set up and use a lesson planner. Now we will show you how to grade attendance and participation. After opening the app, you will see the Semester Manager screen. If you followed our previous videos, you have a semester and class of your own creation, and students in that class as well. To look at the different ways we can grade attendance and participation, tap on the semester and then on the class that you would like to work with. You will now be on the At a Glance page of your class with the different class functions visible on the lower bar. There are two ways that we can grade attendance and participation from here. But first, let's take a look at a very important feature on this page, the score ratio section of the app. We access this section by tapping the % sign on the top bar right-hand side. This section of the app is where your job is made a lot easier. On this page, we calculate the weighted value of all of the work in a class. Right now, we are going to focus on attendance and participation. The automatically listed value is 10% for both of them, but they can be changed to suit your needs. Some teachers may not want to grade participation as a separate field, in which case they can enter 0%. For now, we will leave the total values at 10% for both attendance and participation. So that this is clear, if there are 20 classes in the lesson planner with a total attendance value of 10%, then each class will automatically be calculated as having a mathematical value of half of a point of the final grade. That is, 10 points of the final grade divided by the 20 classes. If classes are later deleted or added from the lesson planner, the grade value of each lesson will automatically be recalculated. The next step is to establish the values for present, absent, excused, and late. Although present would probably count for 100% of that day's value, different teachers and school systems have different criteria for giving partial credit. Perhaps your school says that being late 3 times is equal to 1 absence. In that situation, we can change the value of late to 66.6. After we have established the attendance values, we can establish the participation values. In checking daily participation, you have a scale of 1 to 5. Again, 5 is probably going to be 100% of the daily value of participation in that class, but you may want to tweak the other values. For now, we will change the third level to 50%. Don't worry about the other score ratios for now. We will come back to them in the following tutorials. For now, tap the Done button in the top bar right-hand side. Then tap Yes to confirm your changes. We are now back at the At a Glance page. From here, there are two ways to check attendance and participation for a given class. The quick and easy way is to tap on a lesson listed on this page at a glance. There are 3 lessons shown: the last, current, and next lesson. Obviously, if the semester has not yet started, it will show the first 3 lessons. And if the semester is finished, it will show the last 3 lessons. We will tap on the top lesson shown. On this page, we see the lesson information, and we can now grade the attendance and participation for this lesson. We will mark our student as late and a 4 out of 5 participation. From here, we can tap on the tree icon in the top bar left-hand side to go back or to jump to another lesson. We can also tap any of the buttons on the bottom row. For now, we will tap the Lesson Planner button on the bottom bar. Here we see all of the lessons for the semester, including the lesson we were just marking. Tap on the same lesson again, and we will be returned to the same attendance and participation page that we previously marked, with the saved grades for that lesson. Just to review, there are 2 ways to access the ability to mark attendance and participation for a given lesson. Tap on the lesson in At a Glance, or tap on the lesson in the lesson planner. You now know how to grade attendance and participation and can now move on to the other videos in this level of our video tutorial series, in which we will discuss grading homework, assignments, and tests. Thanks for watching. Check out our other tutorial videos on YouTube or visit our website at okproapps.com.